أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. كتب الله لأغلبن أنا ورسلي إن الله قوي عزيز.
All praises are for Him who is great, alone in His glory, majesty and honor, who is first and last. There is no partner to Him. All praises are for Him who is the bestower of mercy, who is oft forgiving, the concealer, the praiseworthy, the illustrious, the King of the great throne, and there is no partner to Him. All praises are for the One who is the sustainer of the universe, the satisfier of needs, the illuminator of universe, and there is no partner to Him. Peace and blessings be upon Him who came as the truthful and the trustworthy. Peace and blessings be upon Him who came as the intercessor of sinners and the mercy for the worlds. Peace and blessings be upon Him who came as kind and compassionate. Peace and blessings be upon Him who came as the one who brought good news and delivered warnings. Peace and blessings be upon Him who came as the leader of prophets and khatib of the prophets. Peace and blessings be upon Him who came as the server of Al-Kawthar, cistern, and the intercessor on the day of judgment. Peace and blessings be upon Him who came as the one who praises Allah, the person of Maqam Mahmud, praised station. But the elite of Mecca refuted it all and said, "He is a liar, magician, crazy, poet, sorcerer." Somehow they are eventually destroyed as if they never even existed. Islam, its messenger and his message will continue to rise and get louder. Time flew like a bird, and an extensive period of around 1442 years have passed. Man has reached new destinations, reached new heights of civilizations, explored all 7 seas of science and art, elevated the knowledge of human rights, raised a slogan about respect for humanity, revolutionized freedom of thought. But the one who came as the mercy for the 2 worlds, his impression remained intact as it was before. Now the Western elites are hostile and say he was a killer, terrorist, butcher, illiterate, lustful. By the one in whose hands my life is, elite of Mecca as well as the elite of Western world are in a fallacy. Similar to how the elites of Mecca are destroyed, the elites of Western world will also be humiliated and destroyed one day. And Islam and the messenger of Islam's message will continue to rise and get louder. By the Lord of Kaaba, the future world order is one and only one, and that is كتب الله لأغلبن أنا ورسلي إن الله قوي عزيز. Allah has written, that is decreed, I will surely overcome, I and my messengers. Indeed, Allah is powerful and exalted in might. Chapter Mujadila, verse 21. And to change this world order is as impossible as stopping the sun from rising in the east. وصلى الله على نبينا محمد وآله وصحبه أجمعين برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. فضائل رحمة للعالمين by Muhammad Iqbal Kilani.